Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. In today's segment we will discuss about the numericals related to momentum, equation of motion and force. On whiteboard student I have written one question and it is given in your exercise of chapter 9. It is question number 14 student. And what is it? A bullet of mass 10 gram horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 second. Calculate acceleration, distance and force. So these quantities we will try to find out. First is acceleration, second is distance, third is force student. Now first you try to understand this question and you can write it like this given. First, what is given student? Velocity is given. And in the velocity, it is initial velocity or final velocity? You tell me. It is initial velocity student, because here the final velocity becomes 0 when the bullet come into the wooden block and it is fixed. That's why the final velocity becomes 0 here, but initial velocity is given. What is it? It is 150 meter per second. 150 meter per second it is given. Initial velocity is also given here because the bullet is fixed into the wooden block and it becomes 0. So you write here 0 meter per second. Time is also given here. It is 0.03 second. Time is also given 0.03 second. And what we will try to find out? We will try to find out acceleration, distance. Acceleration we will try to find out. Distance we will try to find out. And with this we will also try to find out force. And the mass of the bullet is also given here. And what is it? It is given mass is 10 gram. And this 10 gram we will convert into kilogram student. 10 divided by 1000 and in kilogram what will be it? 010 kg. So it is kilogram. So the mass is also given here. Now what you will do to get the acceleration? Acceleration formula is student, acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. So what is acceleration here? V is here 0 and initial velocity is 150 and time is here 0.03 second. So when you will calculate it, then what you will get? Minus 150 divided by, because when we will remove this point, here we will put 100 and here we will write 3. And we will cut this 3 from this 150 and here we will get 50. 3 5s are 15, so it will be 50 students, and the acceleration will be minus 5000 meter per second square, ms power minus 2. So this answer we have got here. Now this is the first physical quantity that we have got. Now what is the second quantity that we will try to find out? It is distance. And in the distance, which formula you will follow, student? You will follow the equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. This S is equal to ut plus half at square. So now you will calculate it. As u is here, what is u here? It is 150. So you write here 150 and multiply by 0.03 half. What is acceleration here? It is in negative minus 5000. What is time here? 0.03 whole square. So S. You will try to find out here. And when you will calculate it, then what you will get? You will get here the answer. You will get here 2.25. 2.25 answer you will get when you will calculate this. First you this you will do S ut plus half at square plus half at square. So this you will calculate, and in the calculation you will get 2.25 meter. So with the help of this equation of motion you will get the answer. Now the third thing that you will get, it is force, student. Calculate the force. So what formula you will use for the force? F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. A is here in negative and mass is here 0.010 and acceleration is here 5000. It is in negative. Now when you will remove this, then it will be 1000. From this 1000, this will be cut, and the answer that you will get here, it will be, force will be here 10 multiplied by 5, it is 50 Newton. 50 Newton, student. So these are the three quantities that we have got by using the different formula, student. Physics formula, we have got the answer. In the first, we use this formula for getting the acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. In the second, we use this equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. And for getting the third answer, we use this formula F is equal to ma. And the answer that we have got, acceleration is here 5000 meter per second. It is in negative. And distance is here 2.25 meter. And force is here minus 50 Newton. It is in negative. So it is about the numerical, student. Now we will try to solve the next numerical. So student, in this question, a hockey ball of mass 200 gram traveling at 10 meter per second is struck by a player and return its original path with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Like a game of hockey is playing by the hockey players, in which a ball is used and the mass of the ball is 200 gram. So what you will write here, first you will write the given, and given is mass of the ball, it is 200 gram, and this 200 gram you will convert into kg, and it is 0.200 kg, student. And initial velocity is given What is it? 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Final velocity is also given, student. What is it? It is 5 meter per second. Now this 5 meter per second we will write in negative. Why we will use the negative sign here, student? Because the ball is struck by another player from which the ball come in its original path. That's why we use the negative sign here. And the formula that we use here, it is for the change in momentum, delta P. And what is it? This we will try to find out. And what is the formula of this? mv minus mu. Here the m is common, student. So the formula that we will use, v minus u. This formula we will use, mv minus u. Now when we will put these quantities here, like m is here 0.200, v is here, what is v? V is in negative, it is minus 5. U is also given here, it is 10. So this becomes, student, in 15. It becomes 15, student. For minus 5, minus 5. So I am writing here. So 0.200 minus 50. We will write here. We will add them, na? Minus 5 and minus 10. What will be there? So student, now when we will calculate it, so what we will get? 0.200, and this point we will remove by taking 1000 here, and minus 50. From these two zero will be cut. 15 to the 30 upon 10. From this will be cut, and the answer that we will get here, it is minus 3 kilogram meter per second. It is the change in momentum, student. Minus 3 kilogram meter per second. You should write always, student, with magnitude you should write the SI unit. So what is the SI unit of the momentum? It is kilogram meter per second. So I write here. So with the answer, what should you write? You should write the SI unit. So it is about the numerical, student. Now you will try to solve them. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.